Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a hyperlink to emails you sent on Canary Mail. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to Canary Mail on your device and access the email you would like to send or the message. I will go with the email or message draft for the sake of this tutorial. Let me edit it. So guys, click into that text field here to send your message. Let me type in an example text here. So what you want to do is enable these text customization options here at the bottom by clicking into this button, and after that highlight your text and use the hyperlink button here to the right. After that you will see the highlighted text automatically added to that field, but you can of course customize that, rename it, and simply enter the URL here. Like, I don't know, let me go with Google, click into insert, and that is going to add the hyperlink, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.